I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to what feels like a really long time since I spoke to you. So hello and welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. This video is very exciting because it's going to be the start of like a little series I've got going on my channel. I've just decided it's going to be a series, so it's going to be a thing. As you may know, if you watched my video which was all about a life update, I'll link that one on screen somewhere. I did mention that I'm moving to Manchester in September and it's literally just getting so close. And I did vlog a little bit of our trip to Manchester where we actually secured the flat. I didn't actually vlog as flat hunting. I thought I was gonna, so at the start of the vlog I'm like, woo, flat hunting vlog. But one thing led to another and I couldn't really vlog in the flat. So yeah, this is basically going to be half of a Manchester vlog because that is going to be my new hometown. So I thought, kind of relevant to this series, that's just a little weekend with me and mum, just living our best lives in Manchester. There's like a little mini Zara haul involved. And then the second half of this vlog is going to be an Ikea trip where me and Taylor went to Ikea, got some bits for the flat, and I just think the first Ikea trip when you're moving somewhere has to be documented. So if you're new here and you haven't seen my channel before and you want to stick around and subscribe, I would absolutely love that. Welcome to the little moving vlog series, if that's even a thing. I'm going to try and document all my vlogs, like me getting all the home bits, like decorating my room, decorating the flat when we get there, like a little flat tour. Hopefully Amy will want to get involved as well. But yeah, that's the girl I'm moving with. I feel like I've got so much to update you all on, but yeah. That is what today's video is going to be. I really hope you enjoy it. Like I said, if you're new here, definitely subscribe. And let's just get on with the mini Manchester vlog.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see.
Okay, so this is our little room for the night. We've got a little wardrobe, bathroom, 2 big double beds, and we're literally, the Arndale Centre is literally like just down there. I think we're like a 5-minute walk from the centre, so this is perfect.
I had you gone, I'm right. You're all that you right. You're all that you. I had you gone, I'm right. You're all that you right. You're all that you. I had you gone, I'm right. You're all that you.
Okay, so we just got back to the hotel. We're going to go for some drinks now, but I thought I'd just quickly give you a little show of what I got in Zara. The sale was a bit manic, I'm not going to lie, wasn't it? It was a bit crazy.
Yeah, a bit over the top.
Yeah, I mean, people were literally, they had about 50 items. But I'll show you what I got. So, from the actual sale, I mean, no, trust me to like most things that weren't in the sale. This is one thing I did get in the sale though, for a holiday in Mexico, which I thought was so cute. I love the patterns of this. It's literally so pretty, and the back is like all strappy. This is only $12.99, which I thought was a bargain. I saw some other girl with this and I was literally like, put it down. I need it, I want it. Managed to get it, so happy about that. The other thing I got on the sale was this shirt, which is for work. Just this cream shirt, which I thought would just be nice with like any trousers really. That was $12.99 as well. And then not from the sale, we got these 2 little basics, which honestly, I got the white version of this and I've worn it so much that I picked it up in like the green. I think this was, how much was this? $7.99. Picked it up in the like pastel green and also in pink, which I just think will be so cute and like just basics I can wear to work. I've got to be thinking about the work office clothes now. And then finally, also a pair of jeans, which is really sad because these weren't the ones in the sale again. But these are like the mom fit jeans, but they're not ripped because the jeans I literally wear 24/7 are ripped, and I'm getting a bit sick of that. And they've also got this little little leather bit on the bum. But yeah, we're going for drinks now anyway. I just thought I would give you a quick haul. Okay, so I've redone the makeup. I was going to just top it up, but you know when your makeup just feels really like, it just felt a bit gross. So I've redone it, just the exact same as before, nothing new here. We're now going to the Alchemist, which I'm very excited for. So this is the outfit. This little top is from Cider, who will be coming very soon. They very kindly sent me this. And then this suit is from Fourth and Reckless, but I got it from ASOS. And then I've just got these little white heels on, which were actually from Primark. I think they were like £12. So I'm loving the outfits now. I'm loving the green. Like I said, pastel green is like my favourite thing. But yeah, we're gonna go now. We're gonna have some cocktails, we're gonna have some food. I'm gonna just take plain black bag and off we go. Hello guys, we are back in the room. That was honestly such a nice meal. Like, I was very concerned when we got to the Alchemist that they didn't have their fajitas on the menu. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'd looked before and I was a bit concerned. I was gonna phone them up, but I thought, don't be ridiculous, you can't just be attached to one item on the menu. But I do love their fajitas, but now they are like these barbecue chicken like hot plate thing, and it was incredible. So would definitely recommend. We weren't really a fan of the duck spring rolls though, for starters. They were just like dripped in oil, so that wasn't ideal, but the meal overall was 10 out of 10. We actually stopped at Tim Hortons on the way back. I've never tried Tim Hortons donuts, which I don't know if that will come as a surprise. There's not a Tim Hortons literally anywhere near me, I don't think, so I'm going to give them a taste test on camera and let you know what I think. I'm not really a donut lover, so I don't think I'm the best person to be tasting these, but okay, this is the chocolate glazed one. Interesting. That is not at all like a donut. I'm not sure I'm a fan of that. Don't know what this one is. This one's a lot nicer. This is... I think this is like a cronut. He gave us one random one. That one's much better. I mean, like I said, I'm not really a donut person. I'd probably give them 6 out of 10. Okay, I'll take it back. The apple pie one was literally incredible. Honestly, that was incredible, that donut. I can't even believe that. So the plan now is to drink some water, put on a face mask. I think we're gonna watch a movie. We were watching Legally Blonde earlier in the room and it was honestly so good. Kind of want to finish that off. But obviously it's not on the TV anymore. Maybe we can get it on Netflix, I'm not sure. I think it's been taken off Netflix, you know. Well, we're gonna watch something with a face mask and just chill. Everyone, I have no idea what vlog this will be going into, but I wanted to document the first trip to Ikea for the new flat because I feel like it's just one of those moments that's like a big moment in the flat process. So, sorry, there's a lot of noise going on outside, but Tay is picking me up in about 5 minutes and we're gonna go to Ikea in Nottingham and I'm so excited. I'm gonna just vlog on the way there because the noise outside is really annoying, but I thought I'd just update you on what the vlog is gonna do next. Like I said, no idea what vlog this is going into. Okay, we've just arrived. We don't really know where we're going yet. We're just investigating. We're just testing the mirror. So I love a round mirror, like it's nice.
It is nice.
This is £50. That's not that bad, is it, for like a big mirror?
No. Would you go for a circle one?
I have got a circle one that's white. I do like black accents, but I wouldn't have it.
No.
I do like it. But yeah, we'll take you around with us anyway. We just thought we'd check in the vlog.
Look at that hair though.
Yes, this is the little bedside table I've got for uni. £19. It's really good. I forgot about what a good buy that was.
That is good.
We were just debating our opinions on this, and what are your thoughts?
I like it, but not for me.
No, not the wood for us. Oh, they've got another flavour here. Oh, this one's elderflower, but this one would be nice as well. I also like this, but like, what are you going to do with that? Unless it's a nice sunny day.
Well, when you have parties.
True. Probably not the most essential purchase straight away. This is the cutest little setup. All the like cozy tables and the little fire. Oh my god, I love. So cute. I would like this colour but creamer. Even creamer. But then I think that would be, they're not practical, are they really? But very nice, yeah. The sofas here are actually quite nice. Yeah, that's the perfect one. This is the one we were both trying to describe but couldn't get our words out.
This I love.
You could use this for your makeup brushes.
Yeah.
Or plant pot, which I wouldn't probably do that, but you could. Okay, we found these mugs, which I am very much liking. Oh, Taylor's got a weird phobia of mugs. So she's not impressed, but I think that's really cute. £1.50, what a bargain. Okay, we're just in the mirrors. This is the mirror I've got. The nice big white one.
Are you taking that one?
I think I will. Oh, when I came here before, I remember I really wanted to buy one of those, but they're not to buy. They're just accessories.
Oh, there's your mugs here, look.
Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah, they look really cute in the plate. I've already got one pink plate and one pink bowl. That's actually really lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Maybe I'll buy that hook. No, I'm joking, I won't. It's only £8 though, and it looks really nice.
But doesn't it look nice with all the colours, like
The green, the blue,
blues?
yeah.
That's so nice.
Wow, maybe we need to get some multicoloured stuff.
So if you wanted to change up your colours at any point, it's fine.
That's true. Found a really good lighting bathroom.
I love it in here.
I don't really like the wallpaper.
No, but I love this colour with
Just
green.
all the that's a really nice towel.
That's so
Hand
nice.
towel. And this is, I love how it's got a big mirror by the sink. Oh, we've got pink accessories down here. This is cute. Again, a dusky pink. We've got an obsession with the right shade of pink. I like the whole bed. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's nice.
It doesn't look nice on camera.
Oh.
It's hard to make it look nice. This side looks nice, I think. It's like a pink striped bedding. You know what? I keep seeing everyone on TikTok buy a bed sheet like this, and on camera I thought that's not nice at all. But in person,
So nice.
it's really nice. Yeah, we were just saying a cushion this size would be nice, but then it would clash with my floral. But you can have different things on different times.
Yeah.
I do think green is nice. You know, when people have like a nice green. I wouldn't have it, but like it looks fresh and nice. What does this bedroom bring to you? Do you like it?
Too many colours.
Bit busy, yeah. And it's also like dark colours, isn't it? Like.
No. But I do.
What do you think to these wardrobes?
Walk-in wardrobe.
I love these wardrobes, but I just think, how would you keep it neat enough?
Also, I feel like if you had loads of different colours, it would look so nice.
You've got to have like a very neutral wardrobe for that. It smells incredible in here.
Only wear one of these shoes for the rest of your life.
Oh
Which
God.
would you choose?
That's really difficult because I'm not really the biggest fan of them.
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh God, no,
1.
I can't. Too quick.
Do.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, and we have to point to them. See if we pick the same. Okay, ready?
No, I'm not ready. This is awful. Okay, I'm ready, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
I was between those two.
Aww.
I was between those two. I don't like the shininess of those.
Do you like the sling back of them? I mean, they're not hideous.
Just irrelevant conversation of the day for you. I've got a yellow one, you know. Yeah, I have. I swear on my life. I'll send you a picture of it.
A yellow bedding?
Yes. Everyone had yellow bedding at one point in lockdown, pale yellow, and I was looking everywhere for it. This one's too bright though. This was my issue in lockdown, but they've also got lilac. Okay, we're just in the bathroom stuff. We're just looking at the soap dispensers, all the towels. I'm quite a fan of this two-toned towel situation, and they've got it in the hand one as well, which is quite nice. Little flannels. Found some? Is that a nice one?
No.
Oh, it's a bit thin, isn't it? We're really enjoying this, which is £10 of ours.
It's really lovely.
It is nice. Maybe I'll send it to Amy. We've found some very cute candles. £5. We're on a very comfy bed.
It's so comfy.
It's actually really comfy. We're in the sale department. We haven't found anything there, have we?
No. We've just shopped for like an hour and a half and then just put half of our trolley back. Not me.
But it wasn't quite right.
Was it?
Wasn't quite right. Stuff wasn't quite right. Ooh. This is how the trolley's looking. Fairly empty, to be fair. Okay, me again, back with the crazy hair. That is the end of the first little video in this little series. Like I said, there definitely will be so much more of this kind of content on my channel coming very soon. I'm going to even document like my first few weeks living like in a flat. I feel like this is like my first time living alone. Obviously I lived in a uni house with the girls at uni, but this is just different. Like this is a full-on, this is our apartment. We've even like bought a kettle and a toaster. Like that is adult things. So I really hope you enjoyed this little vlog anyway, a little sneak peek into what's to come in this mini series. But like I said, if you're moving or if you just want to see all the stuff I get from my flat and want to see me move in, I'm super nosy, so I love seeing stuff like that, then definitely stick around and subscribe. I would absolutely love that. But other than that, thank you for watching. Exciting times ahead. I'm so excited for the move. By the way, the job, I will tell you all about the job in probably the next video. But yeah, like I said, thank you for watching. Love you all so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.